Hello children, today we are going to learn something very interesting. Please open to page 13. Please take a pencil in your hand and the name of our chapter is Incredible India. Most of you must have heard this phrase, Incredible India. Incredible India means that India is our country and it is a unique land of vibrant colors and it has breathtaking landscapes and it is very rich in history. India is unlike any other country. So, incredible means extraordinary, and extraordinary places or famous heritage which are present in India is makes our India incredible. So here we are given some of the pictures of famous places and monuments of India. We have to choose the correct option which are given here. So children, first option which is given here is Kolkata, and the picture, as you can see, everyone can see the picture. This is the picture of Victoria Memorial. I know most of you must have visited the place. If you have not, after the lockdown ends, ask your parents to go with you and visit the place Victoria Memorial. It is a very famous tourist spot in Kolkata, and it is made up of large marble building which is built long years ago. It is built in the memory of Empress Victoria. So this is Victoria Memorial, and see the options. From this option is correct one. We have to write here Victoria Memorial. Everyone please write as I have written here. Come to the next one. Rajasthan. This is a picture of desert. Everyone can see this is a very famous picture of desert. This is name of the desert is Thar Desert. Thar Desert. So Thar Desert is very famous in Rajasthan. It is also known as Great Indian Desert that forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. Okay, so the correct option from here is this, the third option. See, I know everyone can see from here, and please write Thar Desert. The next one is, it is located in Delhi. As you can see this picture, this is the picture of Red Fort or Lal Killa. Around 400 years ago, long years ago, when Mughals came to India, they constructed this fort, and this was the residence of the Mughal emperor. It is situated in the city of Delhi. So choose the correct option. The first option is Red Fort. You have to write here Red Fort. Come to the next option. Next is here, it is written Kashmir. See this picture. This is a very famous Dal Lake. Dal Lake is a very famous tourist spot located in Srinagar, which is the capital of Kashmir. It is an urban lake which is the second largest in Jammu and Kashmir. So choose the correct option. This is Dal Lake. So Kashmir, this is Dal Lake. The next one is present in Hyderabad. See this picture. This is the picture of Charminar. It has 4 minarets. You know what is minarets? Minarets is towers. So there are 4 towers. The last one cannot be seen, but when you see it in front of you, you will be able to understand that there are 4 towers which are constructed in a monument and which has become a global landmark of Hyderabad. It has become a global landmark of Hyderabad. So this is Charminar. See and find the option from here. See, this is Charminar. So you write it here, Charminar. Children, please write as I have written under each picture. You also have to write and try to understand. The next one is also in Delhi. This is Humayun's tomb. This is the picture of Humayun's tomb. Everyone can see this is the picture of Humayun's tomb. It is the tomb of the Mughal Emperor Humayun in Delhi, India. You know who is Humayun? Humayun was a Mughal emperor and his tomb was constructed here in Delhi. So let's choose the option from here. See, it is written this one, Humayun's tomb. So write it over here. Now come to the 7th question. Seventh one is located in Agra. You know which place is this? This is Fatehpur Sikri. It is a small city in northern India which is west of Agra that was found by Mughal emperor. It has many red sandstone buildings in the center. This area has many red sandstone buildings in the center. It is also made up of red sandstone. So write Fatehpur Sikri. You have to choose the option from here. Let us find the last option is Fatehpur Sikri. Please write it over here, Fatehpur Sikri. Now come to the eighth question. It is located in Mumbai. I think many of you must have visited this place. If you have not, you will be visiting this place in your near future. This is the Gateway of India. This is again very famous place. It is a monument built in the early 20th century in the city of Mumbai. So this is Gateway of India, and find the option from here. See, this is the written Gateway of India. Please write over here Gateway of India. Now come to the next option. This is Aurangabad. This is found in Aurangabad. See, you can see there are two pictures given. In one picture there are two pictures seen. This is the picture of Ajanta and Ellora caves. This is Ajanta and Ellora caves. These are Buddhist caves that include paintings and rock cut sculptures. These have rock cut sculptures within the caves. Ellora is again regarded as World Heritage Site located in Aurangabad district in Maharashtra, India. This is again a World Heritage Site. So all these are very famous places and monuments in India. These are our heritage. So children, today you have come to know so many new places about India. You have to understand and learn and try to know how special we are. We are living in India and how special we are. So every place and every corner in India has very famous places to visit. So children, please learn today's chapter. We will be having some small questions from this chapter. In the next upcoming video I will be posting. In the next class I will be posting some of the questions. You have to answer them. Please read the chapter. Okay, if you have any problem, please let me know. Bye for today.